Hi friends, welcome back to a video that's gonna be quite different from my usual vlogs because in this video I'll be unboxing my new MacBook Air which I received as a gift from my parents. It is M4 chip, 16GB memory and 256GB storage. It's of the starlight color, which I'm really excited to show you how it looks like. So, I'm such a noob at this, but let's get to unboxing my new MacBook Air. The Apple users among you may realize that this was actually opened before. I know, I'm so sorry about that. I didn't think about filming this unboxing video when I first got the MacBook because I requested at the store to check if the laptop has any issues, and then after that I realized, oh no, unboxing it at the store means I wouldn't be able to film a satisfying ASMR type video. So I'm really sorry about that. I hope I did a decent job putting the stuff back. I'm so sorry it's not like brand new. Oh dear. Also, is it just me? I don't understand why the charger has to be so bulky. And also, I didn't realize that the charging cable is a different one. It's not Type-C anymore. I'm so confused. Why is it so special? Being able to transfer info from one laptop to another is like one of the best things about MacBook. The process is so seamless. I don't have to worry about some of my files not transferring. I think the whole process took about an hour, which is pretty decent for the number of files I have on my laptop to transfer. And it's finally done. I'm so excited to use this new laptop because my old one almost crashed on me in the middle of my typed exam last year. So it would be nice to change to something that wouldn't just give up on me during my exams. Hope you enjoyed this spontaneous unboxing video. I really love my new laptop. It's such a pretty color. This will definitely last me throughout the rest of my uni. So yeah, we'll be seeing more of these laptops when I'm studying. Thank you for watching. See you in the next vlog. Bye!